Hi guys, welcome back. Who doesn't love grilled Mexican street corn? Creamy, salty with a kick. This requires only 6 ingredients. Let's get started. Boil your corns for about 3 to 5 minutes. Next, in a pan on high heat, add oil and begin to cook your corns until they char. In a bowl, add in your sour cream, mayonnaise, lime juice, and stir. Using a brush, coat your corns with the creamy sauce, followed by the Cotija cheese. Don't forget to sprinkle some cayenne pepper and have more than 2 because 1 was just not enough. Thanks for tuning in today. New videos every Tuesdays and Thursdays.